what is SBI. SBI is a banking application, as you know this. Okay, so banking application. So who will develop the SBI application? So who is a client for this? SBI application came from the so SBI is overall famous from the India. Okay, so it is Indian product. Okay, we are working on the Indian product. Who is a client? Government is a client for the client. Government is giving some requirement to the companies. Okay, so suppose I want to develop one banking application in my mobile. Okay, so rather than going, so all the customers, whatever you have a customers, like, so we have a worldwide customers, we have India-wide customers, SBI. Okay, all over the users, because SBI is giving providing the main features of SBI providing is savings. Okay, so first one is we are going with the savings. Okay, next one is we are going with deposit the amount, and we have a fixed amounts. Okay, to get high profit in next coming future. Okay, you will get some fixed amounts also. We have a gold loan. Everything will becomes a picture. So gold loans. Okay, like we have some different types of services. SBI is providing some different types of services like savings, deposit, fixed amount, gold loans, and everything will be so whatever you are trying to see, so trying to see this, SBI is providing all these things, different types of features, because customer, how the customer know about the bank SBI. Okay, so definitely they'll try to go with the one thing is digital market. They'll try to go with the digital market, or they'll go with the ads. Because customer want to know about what is SBI application. Okay, so previously your parents or grandfathers will go to banking sector, and they'll try to deposit amount with help of some OHs, right? Some OHs. So here from 2010 to 2015, there you are trying to go with a bank and you want to deposit some amount. So how much it is taking the time? If you go with a bank, so you are trying to go with a banking sector, and you're trying to deposit amount, how much it will take a time? Nearly 1 hour or 2 hours. So right now, after 2015, so what happened here is SBI has been thinking about the online applications. SBI is thinking about the online application. So every customer don't want to go with a bank. They want to go with the online deposits. They want to know about the online deposits. Who has introduced this one? Modi has been introduced, as you know this. So with this online application, they are introduced a new applications, that is PhonePe and Google Pay. So they're trying to go with the new applications, that is PhonePe or Google Pay applications. You know what is PhonePe, you know what is Google Pay, and you know what is Paytm, right? So because on the time, so no one know what is PhonePe, what is Google Pay, right? PhonePe has a worldwide application. You can transfer any amount within the fraction of seconds. From your sender to receiver with help of your phone numbers. So these are the online applications. Okay, so we are working with the PhonePe and the Google Pay, and we have a Paytm. How these applications came to the existence and market? So 2016, PhonePe, Google Pay has been started the market on 2016 only. But no one know what is PhonePe, Google Pay. No one know what is PhonePe, Google Pay, because all the banking like SBI, HDFC, like ICICI Bank, like HDFC Bank, Indian Bank, Union Banks, any banks can be interlinked with this software application. So they are trying to link with all these software applications because they want to expand their business. Okay, SBI want to expand their own business with help of PhonePe, Google Pay, and Paytm. Even HDFC and ICICI Bank and Union Banks, they're trying to collaborate with the different types of applications. They're trying to go with the different types of applications. See, one thing I want to say, how the DevOps came to know about this is, suppose PhonePe, Google Pay, and Paytms are the software applications. Whatever you are trying to interlink, so we are trying to interlink with the different banks. That banks will be a cloud. So they're providing a cloud to the PhonePe, Google Pay, and Paytm because the customers don't want to transfer with other banks. The customers don't want to transfer with other bank because if the customer if the customer is completely injustice to a particular banking application, they'll try to shift with neither next other banks. Okay, so they don't want to lose the banks, they don't want to lose the customers because they want to expand their business. Okay, so for this they're providing a cloud. They're providing a one cloud because cloud is something we are trying to go with unlimited of storage area. We are trying to create a many more databases in the particular bank applications. Okay, so that's why they introduced the cloud. They introduced that cloud at 2016 only. Okay, so in organization, those who are trying to work on the PhonePe, Google Pay, and Paytm applications, they're a completely picture of developer perspective. They're trying to go with a picture of developer perspective. So we have a lot of developers, and so those who are trying to, who is operating PhonePe, Google Pay, and Paytm, definitely we have a clients. So for this you need to go with the operations. So like this, the developers plus operations, we are trying to go with the allocation. That is, we are working on the DevOps. So DevOps is a completely culture. We are working with the process. We are working on the methodology. And so if you go with any organization, definitely all the developers, all the testers, all the admins, all the deployment team will completely picture one group of the picture. That is, they want to introduce one application. Definitely you need to maintain the collaboration. That is DevOps. Okay, so that's why the DevOps has came to the market into the picture. So that's why DevOps is a completely, so those who are developers having their own roles. So suppose in PhonePe they're using Java code, in Google Pay they're using some .NET code, in Paytm they're using some PHP code. But the thing is, it doesn't matter. So whatever you have a code, you're trying to operate the application. That's very important, because not only we are writing the source code, we are trying to operate the source code. That's very important, because all the clients want to operate the particular application to expand their business. That's why DevOps came to the existence. Okay, so not only SBI application, not only banking applications, you can go with the Flipkart, you can go with Amazon. Amazon also one type of application, because we are trying to transfer the amount with help of your products. So you're trying to select the products, you're trying to pay the products, right? So see here, why the DevSecOps has came to the existence in market currently. Okay, so as I told you that it's very clear. So we are working on the developers plus operations. Okay, so DevOps came to the existence in market. That's good. Okay, that's not a problem. But where is the security? We need to go with the security level. So we need to work on the security for the DevOps. How can you provide the security? So here I want to tell you that very clearly. We need to work on the security part. Okay, so DevOps, we are trying to deliver the product. Even the PhonePe, Google Pay you can see the PhonePe, Google Pay. Someone hack your applications also. Someone want to hack your applications, PhonePe or Google Pay or WhatsApp application or Flipkart application or Instagram or Facebook. Then where is the security? If you are trying to collaborate one application, the client is giving the application to you, you are trying to download the application, you are using the particular application, but if someone hacked your application, then where is the security of your application? Where is your security of your application? For this, they introduced one thing, that is artificial intelligence. They're using artificial intelligence. They're using artificial intelligence. So what is meant by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is whatever you are trying to, so whatever you want to take a resources, that, so we are trying to make a picture, we are trying to make a design, we are trying to make a methodology. So that is a part of artificial intelligence. So suppose if you want to go with the, so I want to protect the PhonePe application. For this, they're trying to provide the securities like your OTPs, So in PhonePe and Google Pay, you'll get one OTPs, right? Anyone? Have you gone through that? In PhonePe and Google Pay, suppose if you want to transfer some amount, definitely you'll get one alert, right? Anyone? Have you noticed this? Have you noticed this? So if someone is trying to pay your amount from sender to receiver, so there you will get one notification like someone has paying some amount for you. Have you noticed this one? So basically, if you try to go with any OTP, like suppose so I can go with suppose you are trying to suppose you deleted WhatsApp application. You deleted WhatsApp application. Again, you reinstall your application. Again, you reinstall your application. Again, your WhatsApp application, and you're trying to generate your phone number with help of your phone number, and you will get one alert like OTP. Have you gone through that? Anyone? You'll get one OTP on your phone number. Have you gone through that? Anyone? Yes. OTP. Why OTPs came to the existence? Why OTP came to your WhatsApp application? Because either you are authenticate or not. Either your person is genuine or not. Either you are robo or not. So there even WhatsApp application also sometimes have you gone through that? Like so WhatsApp application also gives some puzzles for you. Puzzles. Please try to, if you are not a robot, please try to solve the puzzle. Sometimes if someone hack your WhatsApp application, because WhatsApp is trying to provide a security. WhatsApp is trying to give the security based upon the OTP side, because it is completely alert from the sender to receiver. It is trying to give the alert from the sender to receiver. So that's why we are trying to so the whatever that application want to develop, that developer will becomes a picture of artificial intelligence. That is, we are trying to make a source code that is Python or Terraform. We are trying to deploy the applications in the DevOps stage. Okay, so this is how the banking applications, not only banking applications, if you go with online websites like Facebook or Instagram or something else, we are trying to integrate some different types of progress. Okay, we are trying to integrate the progress. Okay, so here basically, if you try to go with any agenda, like so what I want to say here is, see, I'm trying to go with the introduction of DevOps. So DevOps is a completely picture of it's a process and methodology. We are working with the development plus development plus testers and equals to we are working on the automation field. So we are working with the IT operations. So what kind of IT operations? Suppose you develop the application, then how to operate the application? That's very important. For this, you need to go with the DevOps engineer. You need to go with the DevOps engineer. Okay, so the main goal of the DevOps is so to deploy the applications and services, and many companies currently using the DevOps, like so we are working on the DevOps like Amazon, Netflix, and so Amazon, Netflix is currently using DevOps only with help of some different types of operations, and it is streaming. So have you gone through that right now? Recently, we have one more security in Netflix. Have you gone? So Netflix is you have one user ID and password. You're sharing your user ID password to your friends also with 5 slots. Any of your friends can authenticate your Netflix. But coming to now, Netflix has what the smart idea of Netflix is, only the user and password will be created only for the single person, not multiple persons. If you go with multiple person, they'll try to authenticate what your secret code of your Netflix. No one know what is secret code of your Netflix. No one know. If suppose I'm using Netflix, if I want to share my ID, I want to share my ID and password to my friend. So my friend want to open the Netflix application, but Netflix is not opening because it is completely authenticated with only one person, with the help of only one IP address of your phone. Okay, only IP address of your phone, because Netflix is highly going with the secure. They're going with the secure because they don't want to, because why it is going on with the sharing here is for the users, because Netflix want to go with a go down as per the down in market. And the Netflix అనేది కంప్లీట్ గా డౌన్ అయిపోతుందండి, ఎందుకంటే మల్టిపుల్ యూజర్స్ విత్ సేమ్ ఐడి అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్ తో యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి మేబీ వాళ్ళ బిజినెస్ కూడా డౌన్ అయిపోతుంది అక్కడ. ఓకే, సో అక్కడ డౌన్ అవ్వకుండా వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే దే ట్రై టు గో విత్ సింగిల్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, సో రీసెంట్ గా ఇది స్టార్ట్ చేశారండి నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్ అండ్ అమెజాన్ ప్రైమ్. సో ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు చెక్ యువర్ నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్ అండ్ అమెజాన్ ప్రైమ్స్. ఎవరికైనా ఇచ్చి చూడండి, సో అది ఓపెన్ అవ్వదు తొందరగా. ఓకే.